If you're looking for a simple way to get Robux using Microsoft Rewards on mobile, this method is worth checking out. And no, you don't need to download some random Robux generator. Microsoft Rewards lets you earn points by doing simple tasks. You can search with Bing, complete daily activities, answer quizzes, and sometimes take part in special offers. Once you collect enough points, those points can be redeemed for available rewards. Now, here's where it gets interesting. First, open your browser on your phone. Go to the official Microsoft Rewards website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Next, check your daily rewards activities. Complete the available searches, quizzes, and other tasks. Try to do them consistently. Some activities reset every day. The more tasks you complete, the more points you can build up. But here's the important part. Reward options can change depending on your country and account, so you may not always see a direct Robux option. If a Roblox-related reward or gift card is available in your rewards section, check the required points carefully. Then redeem it through Microsoft Rewards. After that, follow the redemption instructions provided by Microsoft. Also, be careful with websites claiming they can instantly generate unlimited Robux. Most of those are scams. Never give them your Roblox password or account details. This method isn't really a secret hack. It's simply a way to earn Microsoft Rewards points and use legitimate rewards when they're available. So if you already use your phone every day, completing a few rewards activities could be worth trying.